This Jacoby-Tarbox instructional video demonstrates the rebuilding of a typical dual window assembly or glass with holder assembly as used in bullseye sight flow indicators or other sight windows. This dual window assembly is for a 1-inch unit. We recommend that all dual window assemblies and glass holders be rebuilt on a bench to ensure proper component alignment. The parts and tools needed are the window holder, glass, and shim gaskets. The IM manual is for reference. This is a good time to note that glass must never be reused. Being used means that it has been placed in assembly and torque has been applied. This does not have to be in service. Every rebuild requires new glass and gaskets. Glass, whether tempered or annealed, soda lime or borosilicate, is stressed by bolting. This cannot be seen, and if window is used again, will lead to glass failure at an undetermined time. In all assemblies, we always ensure that the glass surfaces and gasket surfaces are clean. The spare parts always ship with a ratio of 3 gaskets per glass. When reassembling a glass holder or dual window assembly, place all 3 shims within the holder. The glass is then placed in the holder. Alignment is checked to ensure the glass is the proper amount above the holder by simply placing an additional shim gasket next to the glass on the edge of the holder. When this is done, if the 2 surfaces feel as though they are aligned, that is a perfectly stacked assembly. It can be slightly above or below. The manual points out that the actual measurement is 15 to 45 thousandths of an inch. The shim gasket is 31 thousandths. Therefore, if it is even, it's a perfectly matched assembly. Once checking one side, if it is a dual window, remove the glass and gaskets and repeat for the opposite side of the assembly, placing all 3 in, the glass on top, and taking 1 shim to check alignment. Having an assembly with 2 or 3 shims is perfectly fine. Never use more than 3. For additional information, go to Jacoby-Tarbox.com for manuals, drawings, or for your local representative.